Oh, all I wanna do is sit right here in my room with my favorite cozy blanket that reminds me of.
My room is literally a mess and I haven't deep cleaned it in literally like a year. I never deep clean my room. I just tidy it up occasionally, but I went to the beach yesterday and everything in my room is so dirty. But I was actually supposed to clean it last night, but I told my mom to actually let me wait till this morning so I could film this video for you guys. I've never made a cleaning video, so this is super exciting, but my room needs a lot of cleaning. So without further ado, let's just get on into the video. I think that I'm going to start in an order where I start in the beginning where my room starts and then go around like that way. First clean my racks, then clean the bookshelf, then clean down here, in that order. There's nothing I really need to do specifically for my racks, but there are just some things on here that I don't wear anymore because it's summer or are just not it. I honestly think I might donate this or just give it away. I'm gonna put everything I don't want in the center of my room. This is pretty decent. The next thing we're gonna clean is my closet. My closet is an absolute mess, y'all. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure that all my clothes are on the right hanger. I want to use this type of hanger so I shouldn't have just other colors because that honestly just makes my closet look so tacky. Like, look at all these different rack colors. It's just not cute. This skirt cannot be hung on an average hook, so I think I'm just going to put this on my bed for the time being so we can decide what we'll do with this. Now I'm going to organize my hung clothes and put the dresses in the front and like the t-shirts in the back, just so I can be reminded to wear my dresses more often. Is one of the most exhausting things I've ever done. We're gonna take a water break. Cleaning my room is something I really don't want to do in the moment, but I feel like after I'm done, I'm going to be so happy with my room. So I think I'm just going to keep on going and try to motivate myself. So I have organized this part of my closet, but I still need to organize the clothes inside. As you guys can see, I really don't have the cutest closet. I feel like a ton of people have really cute closets, but I literally store my clothes in these type of drawers. It's really not cute. But since this video is not like a room transformation video and I'm too broke to buy new items, I won't really be buying new drawers for my clothing, but I'm definitely going to organize it so it looks better in the circumstance that it's in. be honest, this is taking me a lot longer than I thought it would. I'm finally done with my closet and I'm so happy about it. It's definitely not perfect, but it's so much cleaner and just more open than it was before, and I'm honestly really proud. We are going to start bottom shelf to top shelf. Out my product area on my bookshelf. I am on CVS Beauty's PR list and I just wanted to share these products with you guys. I usually don't wear makeup and I'm really bad at it, but lipsticks are just super simple. This one's this purplish color. It's not necessarily the best color on me, but I think it's a really nice one, and this is a shade that I absolutely love. I think it's really nice and just natural and something that I actually wear. I seriously love their packaging and how they have stars on the lipstick. CVS Beauty will be linked down below and you guys can check out those products on their site.
Nice dark diaries. Dark.
So my school went on a Cape Cod field trip, so I have a ton of like clothes just everywhere in my room from the trip. So I need to clean my laundry and kind of just get everything together. So that's what we're gonna do. And my suitcase is so dirty. And the shampoo literally got everywhere. Like it literally spilled out and there's like some shampoo on the bottom, which is really not cute. I do have places for these things, and a lot of them are just things I don't want anymore, so we're just gonna ignore the floor for now. But I feel like when I put it on the floor I can really just focus on what's up here, which is really nice. But now it's time to clean my desk. If I'm being honest with you, my desk is my least favorite part of my room because it was my brother's and he put like Star Wars stickers on it. It was actually an old desk from my dad's workplace and it just does not look good. All of these drawers are like broken. It's so hard to get into my desk and I just don't like the color of it. Like I just want a basic white desk. Do you see these stickers? That's just not cute. This drawer doesn't open half of the time. Since I edit a lot, I obviously spend a lot of time at my desk and my computer, and it kind of sucks to not be satisfied with my desk since I spend the most time there. Well, other than my bed, because I sleep in my bed, but you know what I mean. I feel like these stickers won't come off well. I think I might just have to get a new desk. You know what, we're just gonna leave these stickers for later.
You could cover that with something beautiful.
Oh my gosh. You know, I'm getting a new desk anyways, so it's fine.
You can put some vinegar wine sticker.
You don't cover up ugly stuff with more stuff. This is my Google AdSense. We love. I'm gonna make a video on my first YouTube paycheck, so just stay tuned. I literally cleared out like everything in here. my floor is super dirty. So I'm gonna ask my mom for a big box so I can put all the stuff I don't want anymore in there. But as y'all can see, it's honestly a mess, and I've been cleaning my room for 3 hours. The only things I really need to sort out through is my suitcase and my backpack, because that's what I brought on my Cape Cod trip. So much work, and honestly I was not excited for this, but now that these like 3 hours of cleaning my room are done, I am so satisfied with the results. I actually feel clean, and it's such a good feeling. So if you guys want some more cleaning videos, I will definitely do another one when my room is messy again. If this video gets to 3,000 likes, another one is coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.